Morning. You guys know the best part of the day is 3:45 in the morning, right? Hey, what'd you think of my video? I'm a little bit goofy on that one there with the like a nut job I am, but hey, I gotta show you. Now you'll see it. There's the cracky, goes all the way through and it goes through the inside, which was typical if you look back in my videos from a year ago or better. Maybe further back, you'll see that done a few of these before, and looks like the greaser's set up pretty good on this one. Plenty of grease. Yeah, plenty of grease. See, we. Oh yeah, look at. I love tools like that. Not. Anyways, hey, oh, I gotta show you. We've been working on that one steady for a while. Kyle got into that transmitter. We don't call it a transmission. We call it a transmitter here in Wisconsin. Looks like he's got her all resealed. He was showing me the chunks yesterday that came out of it. The packings were so hard that it couldn't seal. What was bad is this rear disconnect. When you put these ponces in high range, that disconnects the drive shaft or the drive line from applying power to the rear wheels. And when we take them apart, when we split them in the middle, we can get inside, start the engine, put it in high range, or there's a manual override for that disconnect, and then you can spin the yoke so you can hook your drive shaft back up. And we discovered on this machine that it wasn't even hooked up. So somebody pulled one on us, on the guy that bought it. Just so you know, this machine was bought by one of my customers, and we're just going through it as fast as we feasibly can within reason of doing the rest of our stuff here. And here I was gone yesterday for a bit out of the shop, and look at here. They got her bolted back together. Should be driving out today. And I got some appointments this morning. Ooh. Oh, that looks like it could fall off of there. Hanging on by a little bit. Anyways, yeah, I got some appointments this morning, and I gotta go to the big city. I gotta go to the big city. So yeah, that one's gonna be gone. This one is gonna get flipped around from that end of the shop to where this one is once they get the oil slick cleaned up. You gotta bring Dad's truck back in. That PTO pump I put on there, Troy put on it, needs a bigger, we need to put a suction line on it that can handle the flow of oil. So they'll be doing that. They'll be busy this morning while I'm out gallivanting to my appointment. And yeah, daily update. I'm just a dog. That's ZZ Top, by the way. It's a good song. That just shows you my age. Alright guys, have a great day. I'm gonna get the coffee a brewing and get going here. Thanks for watching, and check out my other stuff.